Hi, thanks for watching. This is video 2 on how to do market analysis. So the first thing we're going to do is a mail merge. So if we go back here and you see we want to do a mail merge on these 2 through 5, but actually since we have this heading line 1, it's not 2 through 5, it'd actually be 1 through 4. Because they don't count this first line. I hope that makes sense. So merge lines 1, 4. And you see, okay, well, first of all, if it puts, okay, so then it's, okay, so it's basically merged all our first sets of data, right, on here. And then what we have to do, instead of the zip codes, it's a little glitch. So if it has a zip code in here, it's going to actually be Los Angeles. And so let's just replace those real quick. Well, Cudahy, see, this is a city, so if it's a city, just leave it. Okay, so then, then we're going to, so this is 1932 Clinton. So what we do is go, we click on the picture, and then we click on this icon, and we're going to replace the picture. And then I'm going to click around to where my pictures are. But if you recall, we weren't sure about the picture, so there's no picture in here. So I just wanted to show you that. But let's go out to the next one and do a picture. So 8711, we have a picture, remember? Okay, so we click on here. 8711 Avalon. We click here. And you see here. Now, you want to be, sometimes the picture gets really big in here. And so you want to make sure that it's not so big that it pushes all this down to the bottom of the page. And then it bleeds over into another page. Like what'll happen, the picture will be so big, it'll push it down like that. See how stuff starts getting the other page. But we don't want to do that. So just make sure, so you can always resize the picture. Okay, so let's hit redo. Okay, so here's our picture. And if you wanted to resize it, you just grab here and go like that. It's a little bigger. And then I want to put a border around it. So on mine, you probably have a more advanced version of Word, but I just right-click, borders and shading. I like this big fat border. Click OK. So it makes it look a little nicer when it prints. And then you would just do this for each of the 4 we have here right now. And then you would go and you would grab a picture of, okay, so we click on the picture, we go here, we have a picture for 4336 Normandy, enter, it's pushed it down, is everything still on the page? Nope, see, all this is still as good. So we come back here, right click on the picture, borders and shading, click the fat one, okay, boom. And then you save this and you send it back to me and I'll print it. And then we're going to do one more little mail merge. So mail merge, remember we're going to do our first 4, so 1 through 4. Goes like that, mark. And if you notice in the first paragraph, it's the same thing with Los Angeles. So we go Control C, page down. There it is again. Page down. There it is again. Page down. Excuse me. And but this one is in the city of Cudahy, so it's a city. It's not Los Angeles, so we leave it. And then you just save that, and you save it to me. Now the next thing we're going to do is, okay, so I'm going to send you a file like this. So now we're going to redo the file to save it for each one of our buildings. So in the first one, we want to do one for 1932 Clinton. So we'll put in here. Okay, so what I did, hopefully, okay, so we'll do 8711 Avalon. So first thing I'm going to do, file. Well, I can, okay, so I can save this one. I would put in the info here, and then I would go file, save as 1932 Clinton. 1932 Clinton, save. And then again, I go save as. Was 8711 Avalon. And put it in here. Put them wherever you want. And then, so now I saved it as 8711 Avalon. And what I want to do, I want to change all this. So 8711 Avalon, Control A to highlight. Okay, so delete that Avalon, but it stuck that little comment there right there. I took it out. Avalon and Los Angeles, California, 90033. We don't need the last 4 digits there. C. C. It keeps adding an extra digit in there, so it looks nice and pretty. 8711 Avalon. And then, okay, so you want to get the building square foot in here. See lot square footage, 10,523. Oh, 523. And then the building square footage, 50 is right here, 5704. And then what you want to do is take out from date to GSI column like that. And just hit delete because we're going to enter new stuff in here. And then you go save. And that's it for this video. So then you'll send this to me, and I'll do some work on it. I'm gonna send it back to you with some. Well, we'll take care of that in the third video. So again, thanks for watching.